If you need to connect your domain to a website, email service, verification tool, or hosting provider, one of the most important things you'll need to do is add a DNS record. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a DNS record in Namecheap, step by step, in a simple way that you can follow even if you've never done it before. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software and web setup guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where all of your domains are listed. From here, look for the domain list option. This is where Namecheap keeps all of the domains attached to your account, so click on that to continue. Now find the domain you want to edit. If you own more than one domain, take a moment to make sure you select the correct one, because DNS changes apply to the specific domain you manage here. When you've found the right domain, click the Manage button next to it. This opens the domain settings page. At the top, you'll see a row of tabs and one of them will be Advanced DNS. Click on Advanced DNS to open the section where Namecheap lets you add and edit records like A records, CNAME records, TXT records, and MX records. Once you're inside Advanced DNS, scroll down until you find the Host Records section. This is where your DNS records are stored and managed. If you already have records here, you'll see them listed. If not, this area may be mostly empty at first. To create a new record, click Add New Record. A new line will appear, and this is where you choose the type of record you need. Depending on what your provider gave you, you may need an A record, CNAME, TXT, MX, or another type of record. Select the correct one from the dropdown, because choosing the wrong type can cause the setup to fail. After that, enter the host value. This is the part of the domain the record applies to. Sometimes it's the root domain, sometimes it's something like www, and sometimes it's a custom subdomain. Follow the exact host value given by your service so the record points to the right place. Next, enter the value or target. This is the destination provided by your website host, email service, verification platform, or other provider. For example, an A record may point to an IP address, while a CNAME record may point to a host name. Double check this field carefully because even one wrong character can stop the record from working properly. Now, set the TTL to Automatic unless your provider specifically tells you to use a different value. TTL controls how long DNS information is cached, and Automatic is usually the safest option for most users. Once all the details are entered, look for the green checkmark and click it to save the record. That confirms the new DNS entry and applies it to your domain. After saving, it may take some time for the record to fully update across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't work instantly. DNS propagation can take a little while depending on the record and your provider, and that's it. You've now learned how to add a DNS record in Namecheap. Whether you're setting up a website, verifying a domain, or configuring email, this process is the same basic workflow. Log in, open your domain, go to Advanced DNS, add the record, fill in the host and value, and save. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.